Hello YouTube! It's been a little while since my last update. Between work and other things, I've been making a bit of progress, but it's either been too late at night or I've been too tired to vlog about it, so apologies on that. Anyway, let's get down to what's changed since the last update. Big one you can probably see over here, the breaker panel started to go in. This is a 100 amp panel rated. But of course I'm not going to be running it at that because the little screw terminals on the inverter here are rated for 30 amps. So I'll be pulling approximately that into these 30 amp dual pole breakers here to feed the bus. Little 15 amp ground fault circuit interrupter to protect the outlet on the other side of the shed here. And here is the outlet that I put in. This is a 2-gang surface mount box with an in-use cover. I think you can, no you can't lock it, but it closes pretty securely. Let's see here, got two 15 amp grounded outlets in here, so I can plug in up to 4 devices. And with this little notch, I can leave things plugged in and keep it pretty much watertight. Silicone the mess out of it here. Need to add a little bit more here, but this will keep water from intruding into the shed. Still need to put a little more silicone on those holes. Ran out right at the end of the job, as you do. Also added a bunch of expanding foam to keep the water out of the holes into the shed and the box, and have started wiring up the ground wires for the big inverter. Probably going to run power from the inverter into that disconnect so I can put either a surface mount or a flush mount. Thinking either a 240 volt outlet or like an L1430 twist lock so I can get 120 and 240 volt out on the front there. Still thinking through the specifics on that. Yeah, so there was a bit of overflow in the expanding foam. This stuff is ridiculous until it solidifies. Then it can be cleaned up with a hacksaw. Yes, with a hacksaw. It's dense stuff. Got the earthquake straps in. Got 2 screws into the wood and 1 into the plastic on each side. Pretty secure. That's about as far as it can move. Thinking I may get another set of straps so I can strap it to the floor or to the wall, but when there's weight of batteries on the bottom here, I don't think it's going anywhere. Started rigging up the ground bar as well, so that feeds the inverter up top and is going to feed this breaker panel, the inverters over in the power box, and yeah, from there it'll connect to the house's main ground spike. So while the shed will not be connected electrically to the majority of the house, or to the house at all, it will be connected to the same ground point. So it will have as good of a ground as the house. These are all of the cell holders that I currently own, assembled, and I ran out. So ordered another 1,100 from eBay, so hopefully they'll be here in the next month, but this should allow me to build 7 packs at this time. More batteries. That box of 26 laptop packs is mostly broken apart. They're all on the test. Quite a few dead ones from the previous order of laptop batteries, but still quite a few to test. Got a new toy in last week that should make the crimping of battery cables and the actual lugs on the battery modules a little bit easier and a lot more sturdy. Alright YouTube, that's it for now. Next bit of work that's coming is definitely going to be getting the 120 volt connected up to the inverter, and then we can start assembling laptop modules. As I said, I have enough brackets to hold about half of my cells at the moment, so that should keep me busy for the foreseeable future. Anyway, YouTube, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And since I haven't said it in a while, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Gets the social interaction going, and even though it's just a little bit of ad revenue, every little bit helps. Thanks for watching.